Hi, my name is Peter. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our police station. This is the tow truck and the police here. It's towing the car. And now there's different types of vehicle here. The vehicle is getting good. It's getting good better. And the tire's not it's getting it got flew, and now it just got flew. Inside the tire flew, and now and now the tow truck's here, and it looks like a fire department. You know what? The police is here, and the tow truck is here. It's going to the tow truck station, and now it's towing. The police is reporting the car, and now look at it. It's almost done, and this is the car, Dodge, and now it's gonna be better soon. But the tires flew, and now look at it, and it's going to the tow station, and it's gonna back up again, and now the tow truck is backing up. Well, wait for it. Towing. And now look at the police is leaving soon. Almost done there. Oh, now there's a fire. That looks like a firefighter, and it's a towman. And now look at it. The wheels are flew. Now this one is this station is right there, and now it's near the tow truck and police. And they never get crashed. And now the tow truck is leaving. It's going inside the shell, and I'm leaving. Police is leaving as well. Police is leaving. Thanks for watching. Bye and comment.